Sound familiar? For you moviegoers, it's the sound that says get ready for surround sound. Just because you're in a vehicle doesn't mean you can't be enjoying a theater-like audio experience. With the available THX 2 certified 5.1 surround audio system, you will be immersed, as if you're in the middle of a recording session with the artist or the orchestra. THX is known for its movie theater sound systems, and with this system in your vehicle, you'll enjoy an acoustically engineered cabin, precisely placed speakers, highly tuned amplifiers, and THX digital signal processing. With all of this, plus 600 watts of power and up to 16 speakers depending on the vehicle, you are ensured a high-end audio experience. This system allows customers to play DVD audio discs and DVD movies in true, discrete surround sound, similar to a high-end home theater entertainment system. When the vehicle is in park, you can watch a DVD movie on the navigation system's LCD screen and hear the audio in full-blown THX surround sound. Let's go through some of the commonly used features of this system. When you go 5.1 surround with THX, you control your radio settings through the voice-activated navigation system. Ensure that the system is on. Press the radio hard button on the navigation system. For available radio stations, you can select AM, FM1, or FM2. The operation is the same for AM and FM, so for our purposes, let's look at FM. Select the FM tab on the touchscreen. Press again to toggle between FM1 or FM2. Once in FM mode, you may select between Show Options and Show Presets. Press Show Options. At this point, you can press Scan for a brief sampling of all listenable stations. Press again to disable and remain on the current selection. Press Scan Presets for a brief sampling of all the stations held in the memory presets. The Auto Set feature allows you to set strong radio stations without losing your original preset stations. This feature is helpful on trips when traveling between cities with different radio stations. To enable, select Auto Set Presets, and the 6 strongest stations in your current area will be set as presets. To return to your original presets, press Auto Set Presets again, and the feature will disable. The RDS feature allows you to receive text information from RDS-equipped FM radio stations. In FM mode, press RDS to activate or deactivate. RDS must be activated in order to access PTY and set PTY. Please note that when RDS is active, the visualizer is not displayed. Rear Zone allows you to access the functionality of the family entertainment system if equipped and a disc is present. Press Set PTY to select a program type, which, once selected, will be displayed below the Set PTY button. Once PTY has been programmed, press Seek or Scan to initiate a search up or down the frequency. The search will stop when the desired program type has been reached. Note that the system will scan the frequency band 3 times for the chosen program type. If the program type is unavailable in your reception range, the system will return to the previous station. Press Show Presets to view the preset stations. To set or change a preset station, press and hold any of the presets while on the desired station. The new station will replace the previous one recorded. Let's look briefly at CD operation. If you press CD/DVD and there is not a disc loaded into the system, no disc will appear in the status bar and you will not be able to access the CD screen. Insert a disc into the slot. The CD/DVD will begin to play. You can access any of the following options in CD mode. Press Scan for a brief sampling of all listenable CD tracks. Press Compress to engage or disengage the compression feature. Compression boosts more quiet music and lowers louder music to minimize the need for volume adjustment. Press Repeat to engage or disengage the repeat feature. The system will keep playing the same track continually. Press Shuffle to engage or disengage the shuffle feature. The system will play all tracks on the disc randomly. Press Track Lists to view a list of the tracks on the CD. Press Record to record and save the CD or any track on the CD to the jukebox. You can then later access and play the saved tracks. Press this reverse button to access the previous track. Press and hold to reverse in the current track. Press the play-pause button to play or pause the current track. Press this forward button to access the next track. Press and hold to advance within the current track. Press the seek button on your navigation system to listen to the next or previous track. With THX, we're talking theater-like sound, so here's how you can optimize the experience. While in sound mode, press DSP or Digital Signal Processing to select stereo or surround sound. The THX2 certified 5.1 surround audio system, coupled with the available voice-activated navigation system, makes for quite an experience. For greater detail on navigation features, consult the owner's guide or view the voice-activated navigation system video on demand. Benefits unique to the THX audio system include unparalleled clarity, the listener hears every note, dynamic range under all listening conditions, quiet or loud, effortless, uncompromised performance at any listening volume. Sound is accurately produced down to the lowest frequencies with minimal distortion. Speaker positioning. THX speakers are precisely placed for optimal distribution of sound throughout the cabin. The THX slot speaker array on the instrument panel adds acoustical depth by controlling the sound image delivered to both the driver and passengers in a surround sound experience. It's nice to know that with THX, you can now have a home theater experience on the road.